Honestly speaking, it has come out very well. I never expected it to be so good. He's cooperative. He understands everything regarding your budget, your requirements.
Very happy. The final outcome is really, really good.
And I'm highly obliged that he has created such a good house for me, and I'll always remember him in the day I live in this house. There's no doubt in that.
It is looking very spacious too.
It is really looking very different and quite a unique theme also. And honestly speaking, I'm highly satisfied with all the kind of work.
It is executed very well, which is the final project which we are seeing. It's worth seeing. It is really good.
A calming trio of white, brown and grey washes over this 2400 square feet carpet apartment, 4 BHK house settled near Iskon Cross Road in Ahmedabad.
So, neurosurgeon, so basically I'm a brain and spine surgeon, but then I'm a operation surgeon.
I'm a periodontist, basically gum surgeon. I was searching for the good architect in Ahmedabad, so I googled best architects in Ahmedabad, and so his name was there. I approached him through the phone. We met and we liked him.
The client is a well-renowned doctor of Gujarat, and reflecting the family's lifestyle, their brief was for a minimal, warm, clutter-free and a well-lit home.
મારે ખાલી એટલું જ જોવાનું હતું કે ભાઈ whether my money was worth spending on it. And now I can really say that it was worth spending. The first concern was always like what we have heard, that people misuse your money. So when I heard about him, I was very sure that he will never misuse my money. I'm very happy, like whenever I utilize my money, and he actually told me where to put the money and how to take things into consideration and take decisions.
The home is a picture of serenity with walls left in neutral white by adding minimal texture and furniture made of veneer with PU accents. They put a tremendous kind of trust upon me, like we put that kind of trust upon our doctors. The same amount of trust he put on me, and then he told me that it's totally your project, it's not my house, it's your house. You design accordingly, whatever you want, but these are my simple requirements. I need to fulfill that. You design as if you are designing your house. A few months back, when Dr. Ravi and Chaitali ma'am came to my office, they had a bunch of requirements. So it was a kind of challenge for us even. Create every time unique and different things, considering that their liking, their taste, their budget, their lifestyle. The living room has a minimalistic design scheme, like the rest of the house, with wooden fluted panel ceiling, seamlessly running towards dining area.
The balcony is, I like the most, my favorite space in the house because of this swing, sitting arrangement, and because of this little greenery. It has become cozy.
What was there on the flooring, it has been taken on the roof and it has been recreated. That is really actually looking very creative.
Kitchen, જેવું મારા expectation હતા. I was asking about kitchen color combination. જે finally બન્યું છે, yes, બહુ સરસ બન્યું છે.
I think the family room is very elegant. We actually wanted some Indian sitting. We were always worried like how it will look different. Lot of effort has been put. It was entirely different. Never expected it will look so unique.
The quality that natural light adds to the family area, creating an animated interplay of light and shadow, lend a dynamic feel to this much used space. The master bedroom, with its high wooden fluted panel and white ceiling, customized wooden bed with curved back, highlighted by a striking white bamboo MCM cladding, lures you to come in and unwind.
During selection, sort was very quick, very particular, and it was fun.
Like the rest of the home, the children's bedroom has a clean line design with a study desk flanked by open and closed storage in light brown PU finish. With neutral colors and pared back accents, the parents' bedroom exudes a restful vibe.